today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Candy Crush to the app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here and you just click on settings. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Candy Crush Soda app, or just click on search. Then here at Candy Crush Soda app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.